Good morning, students. So, yesterday we had done mean by assuming method and by step deviation method. Today is 1st May. 1st May is the World Labor Day. So, all of you are, you should inculcate the habit of doing labor with your hands. So, use your brain, use your hand, and use your brain to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. So today we will continue with the next topic, that is median. Median, this is median is the middlemost value of the data, right? Median is the middlemost value of the data. Till ninth class you have studied about median, right? But first step is, if raw data is given, you cannot calculate, you cannot say the middle value of this data is median. You can calculate median only when either you arrange the data in increasing order or decreasing order. So it means for calculating median, middlemost value of the data, then first step is arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. Arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. Either in increasing order or in decreasing order. Secondly, you have to see the number of terms in the data. If the number of terms in the data are odd, then median has formula n plus 1 by 2th term. For example, if I am having 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many number of terms are there? 5. That is odd. So median will be equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2. So that is the third term. So what is the value of third term here? 3. So if the number of first, you have to arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. Secondly, you have to see the number of terms in the data. If the number of terms in the data are odd, median equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. For example, if terms are like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then n comes out to be 5. So that is odd. So median will come out to be 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, third term. So third term of the data is 3. So first step I followed, I arranged the data in increasing order. Then I checked the number of terms, because number of terms were odd. So median, I apply this formula, 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2. That comes out to be third term. Now, suppose the number of terms are even. Third step is when number of terms are even. Then median has the formula half of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So half of, suppose I have data like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many terms are there now? Number of terms are 6, that is even. So median has formula half of, number of terms are 6, 6 by 2, that is third term, and 6 by 2 plus 1, that is fourth term. So you have to take the average of third and fourth term. So what is the value of third term is third, and this is 4. So half of 3 plus 4, 7 by 2, that is 3.5. This is the median which you have done so far till 9th class, right? Where any raw data was given, you arrange the data either in increasing order or decreasing order. then you have to see, first step is arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. If you don't arrange, you will not get exact value of middlemost value of median. So number of terms, then you have to see, if the number of terms are odd, then median has formula n plus 1 by 2th term. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for example. Number of terms were 5, so odd. So median will be n, that is 5 plus 1, 2, 6 by 2, third term. What is the value of third term? 3 here. Similarly, if number of terms are even, then median has formula half of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So if number of terms are like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number of terms are even. So that is half of 6 by 2 third term and 3 plus 1 fourth term. So what is the value of third term? 3. What is the value of fourth term? 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 2, 3.5. So median of the data is 3.5. This is where the data is ungrouped data. And you have to arrange the data in either in increasing order, decreasing order. Suppose if the same data comes in grouped form. So we have the sum like that on page number 227. Page number 277. Right? Here the data is like this. Marks obtained, number of students, 20, 29, 28, 33, 42, 38, 43, 25, 6, 28, 24, 15, 2, 4, 1 and 20. If you see this data, then this data is not in increasing order. इसमें दिया हुआ है, लेकिन जब भी आपने डाटा को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में करना है, यू हैव टू ओनली सी द ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड नॉट देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी. जो डाटा को अरेंज करना है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जर्वेशन करना है. तो इफ आई अरेंज दिस डाटा इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, सपोज मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड एंड देन नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. सो सबसे छोटी जो है वो 20 है, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 6 है. Then comes 28, its frequency is 24. Then comes 29, its frequency is 28. Then comes 33, its frequency is 15. Then comes 38, its frequency is 4. Here 25 is also there, 25. 25 has frequency 20. Then 42. 42 has frequency 2. Then 43. It has frequency 1. So I arrange the data according to the increasing order of observations, not the frequency. Observation का order देखना है. 20. Then I have taken 25. Then 28. Then 29. Then 33. Then 38. Then 42. Then 43. Now we have to count the number of terms here. 26, 50, 78, 93, 97, 99, 100. So what are number of terms? 100. 100 क्या होता है? Even. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसका CF निकालना पड़ेगा. CF निकाल लो आप. CF होता है 6 का 6 आया, 6 plus 20, 26. 26 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 28, 78, plus 15, 93, 93 plus 4, 97, 97 plus 2, 99, 99 plus 1, 100. This is how you are getting the same answer. So, first step is you arrange the data in increasing order. Second step is you calculate cumulative frequency. पहली टर्म तो ऐसे ही आएगी. Then you keep on adding 6 plus 20, 26, 26 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 28, 78, 78 plus 15, 93. 93 plus 4, 97. 97 plus 2, 99. 99 plus 1, 100. So इकट्ठी फ्रीक्वेंसी, क्यूमुलेटिव का मतलब होता है इकट्ठा करना. तो ये इसका टोटल और ये टोटल हमेशा मैच करेगा. नाउ यू सी नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. Now number of terms are 100, so it is even. Then we will go up with our formula, median equal to half of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So what is the number of term here? 100. 100 by 2 is 50th term. And this 100 by 2, 50 plus 1, 51st term. So you have to take the average of 50 and 51 term. Now 50th term, this is 50th term, its value is 28. Definitely if 50 term is having value 28, then 51st term will come here. 51st term has value 29. So 57 over 2. So median comes out to be 28.5. So here we have calculated the median of grouped data, but here certain groups are not formed according to class intervals. Simple observations are given, so that observations are arranged in order of increasing order. Observations are arranged in increasing order. Then we calculated the cumulative frequency. 6 will come 6, 6 plus 20, 26, 26 plus 24, 50, 50 plus 28, 78, 78 plus 15, 93, 93 plus 4, 97, 97 plus 2, 99, 99 plus 1, 100. So this is half of 100 by 2. That is, अगर number of term even हो तो median निकालने का formula होता है half of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So that is 50th term and 51st term. So half of what is 50th term? 28. Its value is 28 and 51st term has value 29. So 57 over 2, answer comes out to be 28.5. Thank you.